Missing a lot of chances against low defensive team will come back to hurt you as a team. Yes, see Barcelona now, most of the chances we had at the first half, assuming we converted those chances, assuming we converted, second half would have been very easy for us to play because the Rayo Vallecano guys would have been demoralized. Now we lost a lot of chances, giving this guy the spirit to come back. Yes, we scored through penalty, but the second half, Rayo Vallecano, they were all up and doing like it was them winning. Even a draw was so satisfying for them. Yes, I know that the season just started. Yes, we shouldn't just blame anybody, but we need to be coordinated. We need to be coordinated. These boys need to stick together to play this football. This is Barcelona we're talking about. My team, my boys. As a Flick, I know that you will not be happy wherever he is because the performance of these guys wasn't up to standard. So we need to sit up. We need to sit up. Backup fans are there. Our players need to sit up. We need to sit up. We are 7 points now. We need to sit up.